Hello, this is Raja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to knit into the group of 3 stitches together with P1, K1 and P1. First, bring yarn to the front just as you will purl, and then insert the right hand needle tip through those 3 stitches and then purl them all together at once. And now we're gonna knit. Don't slip them off yet. We're gonna knit into the same stitches again and put yarn back, and we're gonna knit them like that. I use small needle and small yarn, so it's a little bit difficult. So we got our second. Now we're gonna do the third one, which is purl. Bring yarn to the front and then we pull them like that. This is the last one, so we're gonna slip all of those stitches off the left needle. Now we got a little bit of a cluster there, so that's how it produces. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay, let this knit a few stitches first, just to give it more room. Okay, here, good. Let's do it again. Yarn to the front, knit the next 3 stitches. Sorry, not knit, purl the next 3 stitches, and then knit, and then purl. Don't forget to change the yarn position. Purl. So this is the last one. PKP, and then slip them off. Put yarn into the back. Get ready for knit stitch that coming up. Okay, thank you. Hope this is help. And this is how the sample it looked like when I knit using like cluster alternate with knit stitches, and I put them different position. Look interesting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.